Hello guys. Today's topic on the functional interface of the consumer is uh, int consumer. Here the int consumer, if the name says it will take a integer as an parameter, it will does not return anything. All the consumer will not return anything, it accepts only the parameters. So let's go and implement int consumer. We'll see how we can utilize that. Here is my example. I have a list of a customer and his first name and the date of birth. I want to calculate person's age based on the his date of birth. So here I'm retrieving all the customers. So I'm just getting. I will utilize the int consumer. Int consumer which accepts it accepts integer as an parameter. So I will say I want to age consumer. This I will call as I will use the age consumer. It accepts an uh, integer. So what I will do, I will pass a year. Okay. For this, I will print a age of a customer. So I will print a normal way. The age is so here what I have to do, I need to get a current year. So I will find a current year from the local date dot now dot get here. I will get the current year. So what I will do, I will calculate based on the current year minus year. So I will get a here. So I want to find the age of a list of a customer. So what I will do, I will do a loop a customer list. I think for each the customer. Mm, what I will do, I want to print that. I will print the name of an customer. Customer dot uh, get first name. I will do a print. Mm, I will print in the format. I will say name and the customer. So I will call the age of a consumer. It accepts an integer value. So the customer is having an and date of birth dot get year. I will send a year of an customer. It will return sorry, it will print the age for that customer. I will just add a sys out for the new line. Okay, let's run it. We'll see how it will be work. Yeah, can see that the name is Liam, the age is 30. Okay, I will give space here. I will get a more it's a nice format. Okay, the name is Liam, the age is 30. So the name is Noah and the age is 32. I will get an I found out all the uh, age of an customer. So this is how we can utilize a int consumer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.